Have you ever seen pepper magically run away from a drop of soap? It looks like a science magic, but it's really chemistry at work. Today we are going to do a simple experiment with pepper, water and dish soap. Then I will explain the science behind it and why soap makes pepper move. Pour water in a plate and then sprinkle some pepper. Dip your finger in dish soap and touch the center of the plate. Notice how pepper moves to the edges. If we add some more pepper, nothing will happen. Pepper is hydrophobic, which means it doesn't dissolve in water. It's also very light, so it sits on top of the water. Water has surface tension, a skin formed by hydrogen bonds between water molecules. That's why the pepper can stay on the surface. Water molecules are polar. Oxygen has a slight negative charge, hydrogen has a slight positive charge. This polarity makes water molecules attract each other strongly. This is called hydrogen bonding. At the surface, those bonds pull tightly together, creating a resistant film. Soap is a polar substance. It disrupts the hydrogen bonds, holding water molecules together. When surface tension breaks, water molecules spread out, moving away from the soap. As the water moves, it drags the pepper to the edges. Once soap is already in the water, the hydrogen bonds are disrupted everywhere. There's no new surface tension left to break, so nothing happens when you add more pepper. Most of it will just fall to the bottom. So there is no magic here. It's all about polarity, hydrophobic substances, and water's strong surface tension. Next time you're in a kitchen, try it yourself. It's a great way to see chemistry in action.